I tell people, say, I pay a tyman you used to take before you find Queeny, them thing can lie. Shay, a whole heap of body you shit up, you know. A whole heap of tea you shit up. Sometimes the man them a do you think. You think. Sometimes a straight man a do you and them body smell like doo-doo. Shay, remember you have a built-in order when the whole of we sit down across Ivani. All and are skipping at the sunset. Because you would have a you know, somebody said that, you know, Shebada is a wealthy woman. How you pick it up? You're stalking me. Stop. You make it.
Remember when I did that stay, them asked me to use the bathroom, I make them go and use the bathroom.
That's what I mean.
Come back, I left the key. Where the man can, the Airbnb man can pick up him key.
This is the first lie. She leave the key. Remember that video you're supposed to do yesterday, people. I always remember said that video you were Shay was supposed to do yesterday. Bear that in mind. Wait, them still have on the wig? Shay, you played a number on me. I never know some still have on the wig, you know. Oh my God, what a relief. They know what me did I think about. You are a saucer. Remember the first lie she telling her. I want to listen. This video supposed to do when yesterday. And even if it did the day before yesterday, it's still late. Late video. That the video you do yesterday. That video you later than the argument. Hold a moment. Make her pull it up back. Here
Can be when I did that stay, them asked me to use the bathroom.
I
Make them go and use it.
I ask her if you use the bathroom, which is true. How me never don't me tell her say she said I saw in a Jaden bedroom look like in here so and a 2-bedroom and didn't I say that? Didn't I say that, people? Didn't I say that? Me never say me not in the house, you know. Okay. If me go use the bathroom, me no must in the house, in a gated community, them have outside toilet. I piss, me go piss. I piss, me couldn't shift my dress for the people in compound. Cause it's not Franklin town. Oh. So, I want to listen. That's the first lie she telling her. No, she not telling her lie. The first lie what she tell is, she leave the key. Remember me said she leave the key. Don't she say she leave the key?
Bathroom.
Listen.
Come back, I left the key. Where the man can, the Airbnb man can pick up him key. When we are past, them say
the argument jump. How would I know that the man sit on panel? How would I know that she give the man the balance of the money? How would I know that as she reach the car reach? How would I know? You hear she said she left the key as if we never see the landowner. So why me and my friend would have come out of the vehicle now when time she drop way off and not chat her? Tell me the truth now, that makes sense, people. Remember the child said she leave the key. No key was left. The landlord sit with that she and these people come out. Remember, she said she'll leave the key in the people. Jesus have mercy. She not stop. Me say, remember the landlord sat on her. Sat where on her? Not her, but her. You wanna see the IG voice note them? When she said me call Queeny, I called Shay's IG. When me do with Queeny number, everything is through IG. So me don't know where Shay a try post. Where Shay really a try post. Everything has been done through IG. When me you talk about on IG now, Shay. Who we murder? Cause me nervous there now, you know. Me a Shay about the bag of Shay more. Eh? Of course, me have space can lend Shay. So come Shay, cause you talk, you never leave no key. How me that know says drive the man drive? Whether him live next door, he was in his car. K-A-R, car. You see how she lie? You see how she lie and I try to play a victim? You and Queeny mental like Zandrama. Una mental. None of una na craving here, Ratman and Newport. Yeah. The man came in the car. So remember you leave the key. Come, we're not done with you yet. Remember. Watch how you lie, I go catch up on you. Come.
What such man live?
Well,
I never tell them where they live, me show live. Them say, what such man live? I never tell them cook him key.
Yeah.
When we are past, them say, what such man live? I never tell them where them live, me show them one different. Cause you know, all the schemes stay a whole heap of house.
Alright, now, she say, this is when we are come out of the place. It's so she attack when we are past.
I never tell them where them key.
After the key drop.
When we are past,
the argument.
come back, me left the key. Where the man can, the Airbnb man can pick up him key.
Key left.
When we are past, them say, where such man live? I never tell them where them live, me show them.
Alright. Appearing on the Airbnb. We just mysteriously appear in the Airbnb, right? So when we are come out, me ask her where such man live. This is it. You say coming in. She forget about coming in. She forget about coming in. So we just mysteriously happen to be in the Airbnb. That is cool. Because sometimes, you know, my time travel. So I understand. So, Shay, what about the beginning? When we were coming in, you said, you want to see where Jaden live? You want me to show where Jaden live? And I say, yes! Because I never remember. I never remember. You remember that part of Shay? Alright, Shay. When we're coming out, right? Me busy in my intoxicated stage, I try remember how I came in. Now, as a driver, this is something you don't know, Shay. As a driver, no care what, you always study the place that you don't know. If you go there for the first time, you study how you got in so that you can come out with ease. Show our false people. Shay, remember on our way out, I did not even remember say Jaden lived there again. But here we should have to say, no people. As she said, see where Jaden lived there. Remember, Shay? Remember say, and that struck me, you know. Me could never remember Jaden when I see how you move. When I see how you get put out, Shay. Me love you, mash up, you know. Take it back, click.
Man live. I never tell them where them live, I show them one different. Cause you know, all the schemes stay a whole heap of house. Me never show them the direct house, yes, as where them tell the internet. Me show them a house.
Yeah.
Because if you know the blue car, you would have know say this so them live and not this so them.
If me know the blue car, me that know say this so them live. So who come up and talk say there was a blue car outside? No me tell her say she show me Jaden live. She says the blue car there. No me tell her that. She now watch the video, the bag. Look at drink something. Happy kind of people. No me telling about the blue car. She show me one house and says see the blue car there. Digital footprint. Not out there with me I say. I don't know, you know. But she say, you want me to show you Jaden house? And I say, yeah. And she said, alright, drive. And we are driving, she said, this is for the blue car there, people. The scheme is full of light at night time, you know. it's not a bright scheme. You understand me? So it's when I drive past, I just say, see the blue car there. I look on the blue car and turn my head because it just don't make no sense to me. What's in the bag? Shay belongings. You by Mary J. Black. Remember now, if you know, when you did watch my video, for most of you know did there what day. When you did watch my video, no me say she show me which part the blue car there. The house with the blue car. When you did that on the video, when you did that on my live. Eh? No me come up and say, Shay, you show me where the boy live. No me say the blue vehicle. Me never say car, me say she show me a blue vehicle because I was so intoxicated, me never have time to look at the scheme all dark. The scheme all dark. And me talk the color car. So, oh, she never show me. Oh, she show me somewhere wrong. And me first, Shay said the blue vehicle. If I call my friend right now, my friend I gonna tell you the same exact thing when I said the blue. Anyway, you see the blue vehicle, see this so same house right there. So I will drive past it. So zing. So we drive past it. The vehicle, thank you, Lionel. The blue vehicle she show me. Right at the house, and not like never in the house, based on outside. You understand me? When you're the outside, the house look dark. So she said, no, I'm down in bed. I know Jaden not sleep early. So when you say about, listen to the lies that were spew from our mouth now, people. Because she never watched the video and she forgot. Listen to the lies there.
Well, we are past them say, where such man live. I never tell them where them live. I show them one different. Because you know, all the schemes to a whole heap of house. I never show them the direct house as where them tell the internet. I show them a house. Because if you know the blue car, you would have know say that's how them live and not that's how them live. You understand? Because the blue car always there. So if you know the blue car, you don't know say another same live what she show me. There was no car there when I show them. And I see the blue.
I can't remember them lies, you know. If me come out, she said a blue car always park at Jaden's house, right? Which is Jaden's vehicle. Fine. So how you did not show me, or you show me a wrong house, but yet still I could come back and state that you say, see blue car there, and this way I live. Me not in a lie, Shay, stop. It's not funny no more, Shay, stop. It's not funny. And me come on the internet, you know. I don't know if I last week, this week, next week, or some week, or some days, or Monday, or Sunday, or Saturday. And me come on the internet and tell them, say, you show me which part Jaden live. You say, see the blue car there, and this so him live. And now you are going to make a statement like this and say the blue car always parked there, but you didn't show me. Shay, oh, you wicked and lies.
But show them the direct house as where them tell the internet. I show them a house.
A house.
Because if you know the blue car, you would have know say this so them live and not this so them live. You understand? Because
you don't know say at this so them live. So we should show me Shay say and at this so them live. Shay lie. You see, if I said to Shay, make we drive. You know, say I think she said, figure it out, live over the other scheme. Over the other scheme cross the road. She said Akeem live around the corner there, so. So I don't know all of them something now. If you give me misinformation. You point out a blue car at a particular spot. And now you're going to say that there wasn't any car involved. You did not tell me any color car. You showed me a house where there is no vehicle. Oh, you lie, so then me can draw up the vehicle now and the color. Oh, me creative, so me not even know where Jaden drive. Cause the last time me hear say Ryq I drive Jaden vehicle is a white vehicle. Me say Ryq in a. So I never know say Jaden have a blue vehicle if you never tell me and showed it to me. Remember say it's 3 different night here, it's 3 different time your night and you know when you attack it in a Shay. At 3 different time your night end when you attack all the night end. At 3 different time your night end, you know. Appear half a story Yogi, you know. You know? Appear half a story Yogi. Yeah, tell the people them all your night end. And all I know the night at 3 different time. I wonder how much ending the night you have. And you want me to look bad though? Share one thing with me now, I don't walk and tell lie on people, I rather tell lie on myself. I tell you that every day. Jocelyn want me talk that every day. You all I want every day end, no? The never ending night. Me no know how Queeny sit down and buy figurine in a demi time yeah, when a wall design. Eh? I'm a tour guide. Shay start lying from the get-go, people.
When me met them go use them be when me did that stay, them ask me to use the bathroom, me met them go and use the bathroom. Come back, me left the key. Where the man
you for come back and left the key. If me in the Airbnb, I ask you if you got piss. Or you come back and left the key. Where were we pissing? For you to come back and leave the key. First lie you tell. You never leave no key. The man took the key from you. You the man took the key from. I saw it with my own 2 visions. I own 2 vision. Own 2 eye. If you have 1 eye, 1 vision, yeah. No. But anyways, English funny. Yeah. So oh you come back and leave the key when me know the man sitting in the car. Oh me get to see the man sitting in the car. Oh me know your landlord is a man and not a dog. Oh me know your landlord is a man and not a post. Oh me know your landlord is a man and not an eagle. How would I know that? Remember, so we mysteriously appear when you give a story, you know. When you give a story about me pissing in the Airbnb, we mysteriously appear there. And when we come back out, you show me where Jaden live. Share 2 times you show me. And me tell the internet that long time. You only attack when we come out though. So what about when we are going? Oh, we going. Oh, we going. No security no there at the gate, you know. Oh, we going. Because I can't recall seeing a security at the night. I can't recall seeing a security at the night. So me I wonder what kind of place this. So how did we get there, Shay? Over the wall. Okay. How did we get there? No man, Shay, cologne and spirit in the bag. Hold on there, you come here. You're too strong, man. Fruit in the back, man. You're strong, man. Me dip on the seafood date, you know. Eh? So, Shay, answer the question. Please and thank you, you're welcome. You have to talk, say, you come back and you leave the key. Oh, you have time to come back and leave the key when you have so much luggage, my love. Shay, remember, say, I saw you traveling. This is your traveling pack, you know. I saw you traveling, you know. You know, from when me I look for that grip here. Call boss. Me have to go stitch up here, so I'll bust the backside. You know, from when me I look for this, I never know say Shay come from Belgium with one heap of them here. Me say when you see Shay come out of the Airbnb with them, I want to cry. Me say, you see, me I beg my friend to come in the background. Eh? You see it? Shay, to all me shame. I couldn't even look into the bag, so. I couldn't even look into the bag, so. A whole heap of bag you have. A whole heap of bag you have. Mrs. Luggage. A whole heap of luggage you have. Shame me the whole of it. You too lie. You too lie. But you leave the key. You never leave no key. The man turn up and you give him the balance of money. But you come with your IG message. Shay, we were talking about the dinner. At the dinner we are talking about Shay. I'm going to tell people say through Instagram me and you communicate. How you feel? When me call IG a Queeny answer. How you feel? How you feel? Eh? You post up. A long time I ask you to do it because I want the people them see the information. I want the people them see what receipt you have. Can you carry on hardware for buy your shape? So we ask Shay, can you want me keep it on the For You page? Me I go try, me I try.
The Airbnb man can pick up him key.
The Airbnb man can pick up him key when you and the twin name on. With this, the man see oh yeah come out of the house with this. I must be crazy now. Maybe I dream too much.
We are past them say what such man live. I never tell them where them live. I show them one different. Cause you know all the schemes stay a whole heap of house. I never show them
the... like fool, you know all the schemes stay a whole heap of house. Shay, you sound like fool. You sound like fool, Shay. All capture in Jamaica have huts. So we are talking about you know the schemes stay a whole heap of house. Shay sound like foolie. We are justify yourself. We all know so them build the place alike. Then we build a section here so. I like and the next section over there so I like. We know scheme and you alone don't know nothing. Are you new? Remember a story she telling? Well alright, that's true.
Direct house as where them tell the internet. Me show them a house. Because if you know the blue car, you would have know say this so them live and not this so them live. You understand? Because the blue car always there. So if you know the blue car, you don't know say another same live what she show me. There was no car there when I show them. And I see the blue car when I was passing. So I give them say over there so man.
Over this.
Because they ask me. No. They want me to stop.
No, over this son and I take out the word over. We were passing. We were passing. And on the over. Where Jaden house there, you can drive Panda Road, they go on a Shay yard. Which part Shay did that stay. It's no over this so. Oh, she get over. If you don't know all the house stay, you know so them look alike. So oh it would be over. If you know all the houses situated in our complex that is gated, how would you get over when we were passing? We just want somebody to explain that to me. Oh, you mean over? Over? You said figure it out, live over there, so which you pointed to a different scheme. You're passing. You're passing. People, see it here? You're passing. This would be Jaden. No, let me use this. This would be Jaden. Oh, so right? We're coming in. And you're passing. So all you get over when Jaden actually would be on the main road, so to speak. Yeah, well, like it's a dead end. Passing could never be over. Alright, that's what she said. She says, which party me live there? She a show with the blue car. She tell her from where I come in, she a say, me a show which part Jaden live. You want to switch part Jaden live? Me say, yeah. She say, alright, me a show which part the blue car there. And when we a driver come down, me say, me could remember the turns and critics and so I told me it intoxicated and never meaningful to me. Now. She said, see, she has shown me the blue car from before we passed. See the blue car there. And you know, like we are cruise because a gated community, we not speed. We not speed up, breeze off, ease off. You know, we're not doing that.
I'm say I must at this so.
I'm say I must say.
But it's not the house itself, me show them. But if you come with me somewhere, you're supposed to smart because if you know the blue car, you know say no man in the same live. I over there so. But me
no, me say I must say no this so. Me she a try say. What she really a try say? Oh, me if you know what color car Jaden drive when you tell me say Jaden had to change his vehicle because of handsome gunman. How do I know the color car, Shay? So when you say if me know, me that know says not. Show ya tell me. Tell me the truth. The last time I see Raiku I drive Jaden vehicle, me ear. Come in and know where Jaden drive. You understand me? Me don't know what Jaden drive. So Shay, come here, my baby. How would I know the color vehicle? How would I know that Jaden had to change his vehicle because of people? Me just want to know. People who never hear me come up here on my live and talk with my man drive it because I don't know. I really don't know. Shay tell me say Jaden don't leave him yard because him afraid. Shay say all Jaden do is lock up in him house. Shay say and some gunman have Jaden weak. Shay said them know everything and them can't wait for go back and mobile for bust it up and some gunman. She have a whole heap of things in her phone. You never know. So I could no man Shay cologne smell like big wheel. No man Shay cologne hurt me. It smell like big wheel it's strong, man. Shay like how me and a friend no more. Me can't give it this or dash it away. Me no want dash it away because you spend money on it. And you really travel with it and this no local, it international, so it's not good for dash when you want different country. Shay, can I give it away? I want to give it away. Can I give it away? Can I give it away? I want to give it away. It's strong, man. That for spray in a bathroom when you're done shit. When you're done shit, that for spray behind you. For sure. Me that dash it when now. But would it even broke the buckle? Me that wrap it in a file paper and put in one plastic bag so the scent not get way. It's strong, man. It smell like Shay surgery. It's strong like Shay surgery. Yeah, for sure. When your front raw or your arm cedar weed. You know when your arm cedar weed? For sure. Yeah, man, this is spray in a bathroom when you're done shit. Shit is strong in a youth. My youth is strong, y'all. I'm gonna spray this in the internet cafe. Next month it's still in there. One cat. Yeah. Are you the farmer for go pan dead? It's strong. A real bodybuilder something. Come, make sure finish that. Let me give her the honor. Because she want the For You page.
show them the house were on the opposite side from Fidem.
It wasn't the opposite. It wasn't the opposite. Now tell no lie. You see the gate will come through the corner will return. Jaden also over Yasso on the left. Based on driving towards which pass Shay there and passing Jaden's house, it's on the left. So Shay enough to tell no lie. Don't tell any lie. This is my right hand, Yasso people. And when me a drive, I saw me drive. And you should say the house, the Yasso. So I could never look so.
Him come back on TikTok and say me show them people house. Fine and granted, it is what it is. Because me can't be to know the no lies them. No make no sense. Yeah, me can't be to know the no lies them.
You the goat in the background?
Pure lie.
Me can't be to know the lies them. So what me
Queeny
fi
say
do?
go take him
No me
down.
couldn't be when me did the lies them. So
Pure lie.
me can't be to know the no lies them. No make no sense. Yeah, me can't be to know the no lies them.
I use life to try to take you down. Pure lie.
Me can't be to know the lies them. So what me fi do?
Oh, she must
No me
be
couldn't
serious.
be when me did that stay them ask me to use the bathroom. Me make them go and use the bathroom.
Oh, I think I me Queeny attack. Yeah. I think I me Queeny attack. She wicked and lie. She lie. She people are prime example this. When me tell you say I had to beat she at her game. When I think a joke, a prime example this. She gonna make me and Queeny have things in at this morning. Me get up and say 3 grey ear in my body hole, you know. And me go want to use Queeny teeth for tweeze them out. And she go on like say she want me and Queeny have things. Yeah? Me go want to use Queeny teeth for tweeze out them white people out of my body hole at this morning. Me get up them and wave to me like a baby ear them. Oh, she will make me and Queeny have things that look like Queeny can deal with bottom well. It's too lie, man. You're too lie, little girl. You see, send me trans. Thank you, Sapin. Sapin, thank you. Thank you very much. You're too lie, man. Very lie. And sit down and want to look good. And that's why you have to run off a Belgium. You come out, I beat you at your game because I know say a $500 you get cocky for and get whole heap of beating with crate. Oh, whole heap of beating with Daniel and Geddes. A whole heap of D&G that girl you get. Yeah? Me not understand how she's a lie. How she's a lie. I would never invade Jaden's privacy. I would never even, if I say, come and call him. No, I would never do it. I would never do it the same way. I would never invade his privacy. You notice I never come on live and let anybody to believe that I know with Jaden because you show me. You notice I never come on live and tell nobody say Shay get put out with this. Come to help us. Hey, you see, sometimes people for sure objects respect, you know. If it had not been for you, go see me and my friend, they might help Shay with clothes in her hand. If it had not been for the old rugged cross. Me say for me, so let me look for you again. Could I find you? From Shay use you just like I star, why you not like it? You know like how she stuffy and bossy, you know? You're all crushed too. Me say you know it's sweeter when Shay tied apart, yeah. And when Shay tied a part of the bag, yeah. Jesus, me shame. And when the part of the bag, yeah, tie people. You see the tying of the bag, yeah, it took me all the way back. Me say when me see the foreigner tie the bag, them, the bag top them, me give up in the people. Me just throw in the towel, yeah. Me just throw in the towel. I couldn't believe it. You mean what is going on here? Then she really know if to use her hand make fashion. Because when she done with the bag, you know, it's a grip it turn, you know. It's a dulcinea. She have a grip. Me say the girl is creative in her style as she be, she creative, man. I wonder if she carry up them back then. She da wicked to leave them really be alive. She da wicked to leave them and all them wanted was a trip. Yeah man, she da wicked. And then you come about me. She can't afford nothing in her life. People she shouldn't bother come. As God live it. Me say me dey on my program and that's why me not talk much about Shay and her image, you know. Cause me don't want to tell too much lie. Cause me don't talk say, yeah man, she didn't look good cause me never wanted look away. Me never wanted look away. She have a foot for travel facts. She not have a slippers foot. She foot in her slippers and me think she walk barefoot. Honestly, I kid you not. Me don't know why she buy straight mouth slippers. Don't buy no straight mouth shoes. You know a flatbed if I buy flatbed. You know some people foot in her slippers, you can't know say slippers that it in there, you know. Me say she foot bottom hide everything. Me sorry for the for the Air Force One insole. Me say Shay foot bottom hide everything. Shay wear size 14 plus GCT, general consumption tax. Yeah. If Shay going to the bed with the whole of foot, Queeny have to hang off a short and little as she be. She have to hang off. You have to be like a full stop at Shay foot. Now ask your girlfriend. So when you come and talk about say the people that will sit down on will live on the fridge top. That's why I never make you come on my yard. That's why I never make you come on my yard. All you want sleep. I never make you come on my yard. Never. You see how God good? Cover me, Lord. Cause you gonna say about the one you always share me comfortable more than you and Queeny, cause you can't pass in parallel in opposite direction. You have to walk parallel. You can't pass oppositely and one at a time on house name. One at a time. Two you can't walk together. You got touch and hug and gash. Me not ask you. She remember me at the live and you say give a minute when you in your kitchen at the live and I know you don't move and you say yeah you come back. And me if I ask you where you go. Eh? Shay forgot. Yeah, well, like it's a big place. Me you say you have 2 bedroom. Put Queeny in a one make we say. Cause me don't know how girl will live on plaza for hype on nobody. Yeah, well, like it's a condo. Is it a condo? And the government put you there so you know? Eh? The government put you there so because of your information that lead to many arrests. Where you say Shay? You're the only girl me stand up in your kitchen and tell somebody say you soon come and don't move and get where you want. Your house little bit. Your house down to university of the West Indies bigger than your place. Your house little bit is a live die kitchen. You and Queeny night favor Shirley Temple. You and Queeny in there favor Shirley Temple. Little house and the Perry is a live die kitchen. You have living room, dining room, kitchen and bedroom in a one. Eh? You're the only girl when me see get balcony and can't go outside. The white are rotten down. I wanna just a little bit too heavy for the belly. She remember say you're the only girl me see stand up in your house and wine and lick over your bar where you have this, you know, your liquor stand. And you alone lick over your liquor stand when you dance. Remember you have to ship and shape. Ship and shape. Forget space. Remember all of them stuff with the share. Remember the only time you cook for life when you not cook janga and lamb and you lamb them leathery and you're the only girl me say boil things. You fry out the lamb in a girl, come here. You not have strong teeth, you know. You not have saber tooth. You not have strong teeth. You not must saber tooth. And you are the only one me say beat lamb, so you fry the lamb in a girl. You fry the lamb in a. To you fry the lamb long. Shay, when you eat it, my fret for your teeth. But guess what you say about tooth? Yeah, the only time you come on live when you not cook janga and lamb. Your lamb them for make insole and belt. Them must leathery. Them must leathery. And una alone me say kill mashed potato and shrimp. Janga. And una alone. And phone dinner name race. Cause you have to eat more than Queeny. Remember he's a big youth. Remember he's a big youth. You have to eat more than Queeny. Me know how una they are foreign. And we don't know cooking in the morning that last one for up in the night. No Shay, come here. Una suffer man. Me think Zandrama did that suffer more than uno. but it look like apple elbows and drama. Shay, come here. I una alone, me say cook for a man and I eat the same thing right through. Una like una hand, man. Una like una hand, though. No, you gotta change your name. No, come here. Me say all I know, Jaden a walk up prank people and you prank him cause Jaden swim could have hustle something off for you. But for him buy your plane ticket, him should have know say you broke. Jaden all around car gear. Shay, where you come for? And then everybody say if I say thanks. When Jaden give the invitation, you should turn it down. You should. Yeah, you should turn it down. Jaden could have never invite me nowhere. Me know me not fully prepared. No, Jay. No, I ain't coming. You could make your son see because you never have nothing. I feel to eat piece of sausage. Come back, I don't want the landlord take it for insurance. Jaden, I'm a brother that. I wouldn't want them things, though. Wouldn't want them things that the boy not trouble people. The boy not trouble people. So, Jaden and your brother now. Oh, my batty man. Oh, Jaden a batty boy. You never know that? When you have 5 year crutches, when I tell people say I pay a batty man you used to take before you find Queeny, them things can lie. Shay a whole heap of body you shit up, you know. A whole heap of teeth you shit up. Sometimes the man them a do you think. You think. Sometimes a straight man a do you and them body smell like dodo. Shay, remember you have a built-in order when the whole of we sit down across Ivani. Ola and her skipping at the sunset. All Ivani and her skipping at the sunset because you would have a higher order than Ivani. Remember you. Remember. And you come out. But me a liar. Shay, one thing with me wouldn't tell lie for you because he's a nobody. Remember the internet, now remember your past. I do $500 crutches and company drawers. I do. Remember your 5 bill scratches and company drawers from your day at Jamaica. Yeah. Always remember that I will report my life. Why in the bag? Shay evidence from the landlord put her out. Shay evidence. Now combo me girl, you don't have no story. Combo Queeny, cause Queeny no know say I got a water you used to grind in our old house. Queeny no know you say your girl no bed but you got your bed. Queeny no know you. Queeny thinks a chef a prize. Why you think Shay have to live under filter? Cause Shay have a big man look. Shay have a big man face. Uncle Shay, are you me attack? Yeah. Uncle Shay me attack. Yeah, the lady with the bad man image. Debo. A long time she have the name then a Debo. Yeah. Uncle Shay, come here now. Cause people don't know you know say you're black girl, you know. People don't know say you're black girl, little most you're close to maroon. And your black shine. Cause you're ever dirty. So Queeny thinks say you're brown? Oh dear she. Oh dear Queen. Oh dear her. Remember say Shay favor handicap when she black, you know. Hey, the only thing mackerel have over Shay are the different ways them for look. That's the only thing mackerel have over Shay. But let me say this to you. You see like how mackerel can look into several directions at once because her vision is omniscient. You understand me? Her vision is omniscient. That is the only thing mackerel have over Shay. But other than that, If she just could have looked in multiple directions at once, Siamese. It's true. It's true. Shay and Mackerel favor when Shay black. It's true. You see, the only gift Mackerel have over Shay in a real life, you know. Me say paint Shay black. You get Mackerel without the vision. Me say if Mackerel wasn't such a creative individual, we can look in many directions at once. She and Shay would be equal. Just that. Yeah, Mackerel will shape better, yes. Because Mackerel have a natural body and Mackerel not do her body. Well, I look like the two of them gifted then. Mackerel have the vision and Shay have the square. Shay have the square. Mr. Shay shape like one crate. Mr. When Jaden say Shay, sir, whoever say a block when people are build structure and them take up the block. Me say it's when you turn the block sideways so. A Shay if that you know. Me say people. Oh no, one black man. Me should have one black. When me for have the things them me not have. That way the mama blood finger go on here so. When me for have the material them me not have them. I know me not have no material. Me say Shay favor one black. Yeah. Shay favor one black man. Me say Shay favor like she in the middle of one black. Me feel say them a build upon the girl and construction not done yet, you know. Me just feel so. Yeah, me just feel like them a build upon Shay. Yeah. I wonder if Shay knows her body not even. I wonder if Queeny, you know you're evil over there, so you know say Queeny wants Shay position. Queeny, you could have never in a house with Shay and tell her say she lopsided. You know see when I hip a Quint, when I hip Josie. No man, them not stop report she. Queeny, you know, says a wicked specimen. Mister, when me look at the girl, it's a Shay hip ya. You know which time I want to push it up, sometimes I want to nudge it and say, aye, keep up. See that? You saw the eye go down? Yeah, man. Yeah. Remember say Shay surgery name slip and slide. Where you say Shay? Cause you go like you don't know say this is my job. And my job this not Shay, me in my comfort zone. My job this, me in my comfort zone Shay. You can't come home and I always tell you no, this is my job where me make fun out of people. You never know Shay, me sit down and do this with you. Stop in thank you my baby. Me sit down and do this with you. All day. And remind people about how man used to play marble with your clit. Yeah? Cause your clit na little, you know. Your clit na little can go on waist for belt. Just like the lamb them where you fry, we can make insole for leather shoes. Come like she study carpentry from she go over there. Our shoemaking. Remember say you wake up for hook. You wake up for hook and you eat sleep. Shay, you go like you don't remember you. You go like you don't remember you, Shay. 7 years to 10 minutes. Talk to me now about your little boy. Queeny could have encouraged you because she used to teach him. Queeny could have encouraged you to stay longer with your son. She used to teach him. On a big and careless the sodomite of Belgium. On a big and careless in the EUA. You never know. At this the landlord put you out in a this. You have about half dozen of them here. And not only half dozen of them here, you know how to use your hand make fashion. You knit the top. You knit the top. Yeah. You knit the top. Remember the people in the vehicle, one man on the back and him that get squeezed up with your sluggage. Sorry, 2 persons and they might get squeezed up with your sluggage. Huh? We could talk about that. You did have to give the Airbnb man more money because he wants you out. Remember, you did tell the Airbnb man say you're gonna leave a couple days before and you're still in there. Him did have feelings towards you, Shay. Come here. Yes, come here. Remember, you did for leave the Airbnb a couple days before and you never leave and you owe the man the money. And that's why the man stand up on you. Because you did for leave and you spend days in the man's house. Yes. I tell you, don't wake me up. I tell you, don't wake me up. But that's why you did have to grab and go. Yeah, big foot, little slippers. Come here. Big foot, little slippers. Are you me attack? Are you me attack? Yeah, remember you owe the Airbnb man money for days. Cause pale lie you tell. Fairy tale Shay. Happily ever after. Shouldn't talk we attack. So why you come about me a liar? After you see me I keep my mouth. You come about me a liar. She no make me go down in a $2 million in a over name you call, you know. And the things them what you say, you know, can remember, you know, Shay. No make me go down in a $2 million over name you call. You understand? No make me go down in that history then. Make me stay up on the surface right here, son. Yeah. And when me a class you, me not class you for Queeny feel away. Cause Queeny a dog shit. That's why she take you up. Cause you're the tapeworm in the shit. Me not class you for Queeny feel away. Who cares about on a relationship? Remember on our germs? Remember, like how you broke Queeny and me wait for you for broke her neck. Remember on our germs? Me not talk nothing for Queeny feel bad, so Queeny don't feel special under my voice. Do not feel special under my voice. Cause you're our next dog shit. Come take your fingerprint off of the woman data. Oh. You're our next dog shit. Remember that? Yeah, so me nah clash for you feel bad. For you can't come up and say me nah left my woman. I never expected to leave. After you have no if you stay in Belgium. You gotta take the shit that hit the fan. You gotta take anything she give you. Cause remember whole heap of threesome she dry you in and a whole heap of time she cut leave your Belgium gone grind. Remember Queenie, you can't say nothing. Don't make me spill on the bean. Oh. Remember a whole heap of time she cut gone leave you gone grind. Cause me and you know say she don't like your tongue. Should I rather you have to use your finger and play guitar in her. Remember, always remember, she don't like you. Queenie, she not have no feelings towards you. Queenie, you're hopeless at Belgium. It's sad when a drunk have to give shelter. Queenie, you catch you have to indulge in a whole heap of something for pay your part of bills. You don't see it. Them fire Shay from our workplace because of her mouth. You never know. Queenie, you left the work from Jaden take up Shay. Because when they come from name out Jaden. You never know. Somebody said, where is Emmy? Debbie Shanoy. You know, your little bit of mix up. And that this is no problem. When you come over here for call Emmy name, though. For what? Where you come over here come call Emmy name from? You have one unwanted little boy who for name one call on a station. One a little bit of mix up. Go and carry your son name go on a station. Yeah. Yeah, back to Shay. And Queeny. So when Queeny walk and now walk go like on a person. Remember Jaden me gonna go eat. Jaden, Shay. Remember your time on the live when you just come here and pay a big white t-shirt you wear and sit down hungry a kilo no. Hungry a kilo now. I wanna come off a live and watch say, oh, babes, me get $50. Yeah, when I can buy something with this, it can buy 6 pieces of ribs. Yeah, remember. Remember the big white t-shirt and hungry beat your Shay. Unless people forget. If I me like you, I come to Jamaica again, find Jaden, put him in a bath pan, bathe him, drink the water. Between me and Queeny, we are share it like soup. Yeah, Jaden do a lot for your Shay. A lot. A lot. A Jaden make me know say, you have enough wig now. Can remember down to Destiny did a beat you in a wigs. Down to Didi did a beat you in a wig. Shay, remember when you beard in a way for clapping her? Remember when you beard we did have to clap and rejoice? No, we not have to ask you where you go, where you come from. Talk truth. Remember when you dip on the life before you find Jaden, you know? Shay, if you ever put on a new blouse, where you going? Where you coming from? What wrong? Remember? To all hungry I kill you in your teeth fall Britney money. To all hungry I beat you and Queeny in a bit. Why not come home? Why would not come home? Shay go away for 7 years and I talk about, oh my God. Then Jamaica is really like 7 years, Shay. Shay, 7 years can't do nobody nothing. 7 years I depend, oh my God, I in a Jamaican mix up. Every day for the 7 years. And it's 10 minutes you spend with the little boy. You drive past Mountain View because 7 years you don't remember where Mountain View was, is, whatever. Me say when me see the child come at the dinner, in the big Belgium Milo suit, me just comes up here. When she sit down on the table, I look and she go here. Me know me come and want seafood. I force me ever belch in a bowels. I force me ever belch in a bowels. Me say me I want you for seafood, me come our tea party. I never know. Me say when Shay sit down in me say, when me look, me say sometimes me have to look pan Shay. Me just turn with me head. Cause me no want look, you know. Cause you that thing say the crab ride my stomach, which is a lie. Me say from Shay come in before me even get the food. I glimpse her in on the pan. Before she reach me. Me say when she sit down, You know, when you clamp your body hard in a car, you know, one fart in a public, it can damage you, you know. Me say when she sit down, you know, and she was the tray around the table, and some people they right and so behind up on one next table. You just when them she sit down and me look pan she, my vision catch her, you know. Me say my body want let out something and then through my whole big, you know, anything can drop out at any given time. Me say I clamp it, you see, and the clamp when me go clamp it, it look like the poop change to belch me there on peel. No, sir. No. Nessa purple, that little girl I walk with some things. You know, happy kind of people. Right, you know, when I'm going to unpack, you know. Oh. I'm going to unpack, so me join on the later, yeah. I'm going to unpack. Ah, boy, this heavy my shoulder. I want some bengi, you know. I want some bengi. So when you travel with luggage, it's hard. Yes, people make a sauce down here so with some bengi. What you mean not yet? No man, later I come back, man. Today is shenanigans Thursday. Later I come back, man. Me love you, no man. Me got sauce down here so it feel like a two part of the bag, but all the same bus part. And the breeze me feel, you know. So the landlord come in a rush. And the breeze me feel. Me love you, no, man. Later, man. Not do me that. Remember, me love you, no. Little more. Stay blessed and keep sweet. Here. Walk good and remember to put God before everything and everyone. And watch the friends where you smoke with and run jokes with. And them quick will tell you things when it comes quick.